right, guys, Jason from Buckhead Imports again. I have got a beautiful 2015 Aston Martin V12 Vantage. This car comes stock with carbon ceramic brakes. This customer just bought this thing, and the first thing that he's doing to it is putting some Velocity AP sport springs on it. This is the factory one. We'll show you what they look like on the car. This customer wanted to get the fender well gap down to where the car looks a little bit more aggressive. It's got better handling and the ride quality is fantastic, but y'all really got to check this beautiful spec'd out Aston Martin V12 Vantage. Just want to let everybody to know that we actually work on these cars. We do performance modifications to them. We do service. I've got a laptop that can reset all your service indicators. We can check airbags. This is a car that we work on actually quite a bit with service. The Aston Martin dealer that's local here in Atlanta, it gets booked up a lot, and so we get a lot of service work in for these cars. But we also are the Velocity AP dealer for this entire area. You should go and check them out, velocityap.com, and check out what they have, because we've done some lower end springs on this car and we'll have more for it later on.